While in western Massachusetts, the storm's impact did not last too long. In the eastern part of the state, different story. Over 300,000 residents were left without power, and many still are, especially on Cape Cod. 22 News reporter Claire Overton has how Eversource is responding and how western Massachusetts workers are helping.
That's right, Nick. While the storm wasn't classified as a blizzard here in western Massachusetts, it definitely was along the Cape and in the eastern part of the state. Some areas left with nearly 3 feet of snow. And according to Eversource, at around 11 this morning, they had already restored power to 140,000 residents, but more than 230,000 others were still without power. And they said, unfortunately, for some who may end up being the last to regain their power, it could be days. They did say contractors have traveled from across New England, Ohio, Detroit, and even Canada to help, along with Eversource crews from around their service area.
We also brought in crews from Western Mass, another 50 additional crews. We didn't get any damage in New Hampshire or Western Mass, so they traveled yesterday as well, pre-positioned, and they're out working in the Plymouth area.
A majority of those still without power are on the Cape, that number being 160,000, while around 60,000 are in the Plymouth, New Bedford area, where the crews from western Massachusetts are stationed. Eversource also mentioned, besides all of the trucks on the ground and the workers, they have 2 helicopters that are working from outages from above, and then the drones will be able to look closer at what electrical equipment they need to determine when they can get the power back on. Working for you, Claire Overton, 22 News.